AI News Roundup 2025. The future is here. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time for our AI News Roundup, and let me tell you, 2025 is already looking amazing for artificial intelligence. We're talking big changes, incredible discoveries, and who knows what other surprises are in store. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI, from the newest gadgets to the software that's changing everything. We'll cover how AI is taking over different industries, the rise of synthetic data and quantum computing, and much more. So if you're ready to explore the future of technology, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. AI Domination 2025 and beyond. Get ready everyone, because experts believe that AI will be everywhere in 2025, changing how different industries work. Beyond human language, the rise of agentic AI. We're entering a world where AI doesn't need us to speak its language. Get ready for AI systems that understand us in totally new ways. Synthetic data and quantum leaps. Synthetic data and quantum computing are about to make AI even more powerful. We're talking faster processing, smarter algorithms, the whole package. Chapter 4, UPI 3.0, India's AI Revolution. UPI 3.0 is going to use AI in a big way, and that's going to be a game changer for technology in India. Chapter 5, the AI server boom. As AI gets more advanced, we're going to need more powerful computers to run it. Get ready for a huge demand in servers built for AI. Chapter 6. Custom AI, tailored to perfection. No more one-size-fits-all AI. We're moving towards custom AI models built for specific jobs, and that's incredibly powerful. Chapter 7. Small models, big impact. Don't underestimate the little guys. Smaller, more efficient AI models are becoming popular, making AI accessible to everyone. Chapter 8. The evolution of the AI PC. Computers with AI are about to get even more impressive, with faster processing, better graphics, and AI features that are easier to use. Chapter 9. Extended reality. It's finally here. Get ready for amazing, immersive experiences, because extended reality technologies are finally ready for the spotlight. Chapter 10. The future of tech is all about access, and that means software and hardware will increasingly be offered as a service. Chapter 11. AI needs a place to live, and that means we're going to see a ton of new data centers built all over the world. Chapter 12. Get ready for the next evolution of SaaS service as a software, where AI takes center stage in delivering personalized experiences. Chapter 13, AI, your personal health ally. AI is changing healthcare, and we're going to see a wave of personalized wellness solutions powered by AI. AI in healthcare, personalized wellness, AI health apps. Chapter 14, AI education, the need of the hour. Whether you're using AI or building it, AI education is crucial. We need everyone on board to navigate this exciting new world. Chapter 15. The AI Talent Wars and Green Energy's Role. The demand for AI talent is only going to increase, and green energy is going to play a key role in powering these AI innovations. Chapter 16. Bengaluru, AI for Accessibility. It's inspiring to see how people in Bengaluru are using AI to create assistive technologies for the disabled. Amazing work. The future is now. That's it for today's AI News Roundup. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited about the future of AI. We're talking about technologies that can change the world, and it's happening right now. From healthcare to education, accessibility to entertainment, AI is everywhere, and it's only going to become a bigger part of our lives. So buckle up, because the ride is just getting started.